So we're deseasonalizing data. So that's the title for today. So do you remember seasonal graph is like up and down? So we're trying to make it so it's not up and down. So we're getting rid of the seasons. So we're making it like flat. So basically we're manipulating the data. So we're following those 4 steps. Calculate the average for each year. Calculate the average for 2020. So add those 4 numbers together, divide by 4.
21.25.
That's what we got. Okay, so that was step 1. We found the average for the year. Next, we're going to calculate the seasonal indices. So we're going to divide each value by the average you found. Okay, so you're going to have to redraw this table basically. So copying this down, everybody. So we're going to do 20 divided by that. We're going to do 21 divided by that. So we're dividing each of these values by this number we just found. All right, everybody copy that down. That is your seasonal indices. Seasonal indices. So those are the 4 seasonal indices for 2020. Those are the 4 seasonal indices for 2021. And those are the 4 seasonal indices for 2022. Now we're going to calculate the seasonally adjusted data. So we're going to do steps 3 and step 4. So we're going to find, step 3, find the seasonal index average. So we're going to take these 3, add them together, divide by 3. And that's the Q1 seasonal index average. 0.94. The next one. Okay, now we have the seasonal averages, right? Now we're going to divide the data by their seasonal average. So a new table, this is step 4. Step 4, determine the new data by dividing by the seasonal index average. So we're dividing these by 0.94. The next season, divide them all by 1.02. Okay, so that's the new data. So we followed the 4 steps. Good job. Okay, so the new data is slightly flatter. Here's another example. So see, it's quite similar. See, the blue data is the original data, and the pink is the deseasonalized data. Okay, so it's a bit more flat.